Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, March 6th, and this is my analysis of gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on gold monthly, I still think this looks like a 1, 2, 3. I still think there's a very good likelihood that it is going to keep on stretching out, probably at least to, I think, maybe even the $2,500 area to finish off a 1, 2, and wave 3. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, this is that 1, 2 that I was just showing you, and then I think this is likely a subdivision like a 1, 2 of 3. Now, I think it probably is due for a pullback, but I think there's a very good likelihood that it will, on these higher time frames, continue to make higher highs and higher lows. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I think this is very clearly 1, 2, 3 waves down, 1, 2, 3 waves up, 1, 2, 3 waves down, WXY 1 and 2, so WXY of 2. This definitely looks like a 1, 2, 3. And I'm not really even convinced that the wave 3 is over. It probably is over. It probably is due for a pullback, but it may not even be a wave 4. It could possibly be a subdivision of a much larger uptrend. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, it definitely does look like a 1, 2, 3. That's for sure. 1, 2, and then a big old wave 3. It went all the way up to the 261. Yeah, 261.8 level. Fibonacci extension of wave 1 projected off the bottom of wave 2. Now it looks like the wave 3 is over. It looks like it should go down and make a bigger correction for the wave 4 before it goes up and makes a wave 5. Or like I was saying on the daily, it possibly could just be a subdivision of a much bigger trend, meaning that it may not even be a wave 5. It may just continue to make higher highs, higher lows, especially if it really is a wave 3 of wave 3 on the higher time frames. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, so far it definitely hasn't even broken any important structure yet. For me, this is in an uptrend until it breaks this structure right here. That's why I had my Fibonacci retracement on just this last little push up, because it definitely could possibly just make a correction to that move up. It possibly could just break touch one of these fib levels, make an golfing move to the upside, and just keep on trending up. There's really no break of structure to the downside yet, telling us that this move is over. Now, looking at it, it does kind of seem like it's more likely that it would go down and stretch out into a bigger correction, a bigger ABC correction, which possibly would be a wave 4, or possibly is a subdivision. So definitely keep an eye on it. The trend is definitely not proven to be over, and the trend is our friend. So it could possibly just keep on going up. I definitely would be looking for longs at least until we get a break of structure to the downside. Then when we get a break of structure to the downside, I would probably only go short at the end of a wave B, and then I would exit my short at the end of a wave C and try to go long again for the continuation of the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.